All right, so now the primary menu. So before we go to the primary menu, let's check other thing that we can customize it. Say this our banner, for instance, right? So I want to show you how to edit your content, the content of your website to make it your own. So now what you need to do is that you go to pages, right? Click on all pages. Click on all pages. Right. So here, this is our home page, right? You can see it, home page. That's the front page. Right now, to edit it, just come here and click on edit. Right, click on edit. So it's coming up. All right, so now after you've clicked on edit, it's going to land you in this kind of environment, right? So what you need to do is to write your title, right? Write your title. So this is where you put your title, right? We help build the nation, right? So that's what you want there, right? If you can change the preference there, right? Just edit it the way you want. Right, so anyone you want, just do that, edit it, scroll down, put other informations that you want here. Now if you want to edit the image, right, to edit the image the same way, just click on this. So to edit the image, let's say this background, this banner image background, so just click on it, right? If you click on it, you're going to see this plus sign, and check the left hand side, the right hand side. See this block, right? Look at it. This is where you can adjust the width of the image, the layout. You can just click on this, scroll down, you're going to see the layout for it, the container type. Let me just check the container type, right? Under general, you see the width. You can change it to box if you want, so it's going to change it to box form, but I want it to cover, I want the banner to cover the entire page, so I'll just leave it on full width. Then come to style. That's where you see the image, right? So you can come here and change, click on change image, click on change image, and the image you want to use, you'll have uploaded it to your system. Do you get a point now? You'll have uploaded it to your system. Like if it is this image you want to use, if to upload, I told you how to upload. So you just come to upload, then click on select image, then locate where you kept the image or the file, the image file that you want to use. Navigate it on your system and select it, then click open. Right, if you click open, it's going to come here and you click select. Do you get it? So that's how you're gonna do that. So let's take for instance now one of this image. Let's say this particular image is small. The image is small, you can see, compared to this. It's small, so we can use that. So when you pick the image, and make sure that if you're using the banner, let your banner be always be 1200 by say 800 or 700 or 630, any banner size you want. I'm going to explain more when I'm talking about how to design in Canva, right? So you select it, and that's it. So after you are done, just click on save, right? Then if you scroll down, all these images also, you can change them. Do you get it? You can change them, right? You can change them. Then all those ones, just type in the icon, the title you want there. You get it? So that's how to change the content of the website. So now the next thing that I want to show you is how to create pages, right? How to create page in WordPress. So now I want to show you how to create pages, right? So what you need to do is to go to your dashboard, and take for instance, this is why we have to create a page. You can see this page now is about us. This is what we do, right? And contact us. Let's say you want other information right here, right? So that is why we have to create pages, right? So here now I'll come to my dashboard and I'll go to pages and click on add new page. Click on add new page. Page is going to take you to this place, and you can name it whatever name you want to name your page. Let's say okay, let's say services, right? Let's say services, for instance. That's the page that we want to create. So now after you've done that, just click on publish, and click on publish again. So if you preview your site, right? If you preview your site, let's preview the site again. This is about of the site. So let's refresh the site, and let's refresh the site. So this is what we do page, right? This is what we do page. You click on this is what we do. This is contact us, right? But now you can see here that there is no services, right? So we want to see how we can add services to our menu. So now to do that, we'll go back to our dashboard. We'll go to our dashboard, by clicking on this logo, W logo, right? Then we'll come to appearance, then menu, right? So we click on menu. So now to add that page to our menu, what we need to do is to come to our dashboard, right? When you come to your dashboard, go to appearance and navigate to menus, right? Click on that menu. Do you get it now? Okay, good. So now WordPress allow you to use your pages, your posts, your category to make them as a link or as a menu on your website. So here now, see, this is our pages, right? These are our pages, right? These are our pages. So these are our pages. You can see it here, right? Contact or services and so. This is the page that we just created, right? So now we can use customized link also as a menu, right? So I'm going to show you in a minute how to do that. Then we can also use categories as a menu. But now let's add this page as our menu. So what I would do is I click on it, check it, and add to menu. Click on add to menu, right? When you click on add to menu, it's going to come here, right? I did it twice. So I'm going to come to, okay? So I did it twice, so I'm removing one. So if you made a mistake also, you can as well remove. So just click on remove, it will remove. Right, let me add it back. Right, so I'll just I'll click on select services, then click add to menu. So this is it, right? The next thing you have to do is to save. Just click save, right? After you save it, so let's go back and see if it has effect in what we've done. So here now we're having home page, about, what we do, contact. So the service is not yet here, so let's refresh it. So it's refreshing now. Wow, you can see now services now appear, right? Now let's now assume that you don't want this service to be here, you want it to be immediately after about, right? So you can move it there. So let's go back to menu, and we can now click on this. You can see it changed to like something like a cross. So just click and move it up to where you want it to be, and then click on save. Do you get it? So here now, after you've saved it, go back and you refresh it again. So you're going to see that it will move to that. Do you understand that? So that's how to add your menu to it. Do you get it? So now let's take, for instance, you want to add another menu that is not a page. Do you get it now? That is not a page. You want to call another link entirely. So what you do is that when you come to your menu page like this, come to custom link and then enter the address that you want to call, https, or let's just say google.com. Let's say we want them to click on that link and they go to Google from our menu. Okay, I will just say access Google, right? Access Google. So here now we'll just click on add to menu. So you're going to see it here. You can see, right? You can see it. So I'll save it, right? Then if I come back to this page, let's refresh it, and you're going to see that add to see. So if they click on this now, they will go to google.com, not our page again. You can see, right? Can you see that? So that's how to add custom menu to your website, right? So I don't want that, so I'm going to remove it. So I'll just click on this and then click on remove, not delete now, remove. Just remove it. That's all, right? I think you're getting it, right? The next thing that I would like to show you, right, is now the next thing I would like to show you is to change the color of your site. Let me go back home. Right, let me go back home. Right now you can change the color of the site, the color of everything that is here. You can change it. So how do you do that? Let's say you don't want this one to be black, or you don't want this one to be purple, right? What you do is that you go back to your dashboard, right? And from your dashboard you see abstract, then go to customize. We've talked about it earlier. I'm just trying to recap it, right? Right, it's loading up. Right, so it's loaded up and it's like this, right? So what you need to do is just to come to this this global, right? This global, click on it. Now topography is the way you want your heading and the body to show, to be. Do you get it? You get the point now? So this is the topography, and I guess you understand this. The heading, heading 1, heading 2, like the one you did. The font. Now the basic font, the base font. What the base font means is, the base font is all this. So if you how you want them to be, you can change the font weight, the font type, and the font size, the font family. Do you get it now? You can change it to Vandala, then everything here you can see change to that font type, right? So that's that. H1, H2 also you can change as well. You can change that as well. That's for topography. Now for color, you can as well change your color. The global color palette, you can change your color, right? The theme color you can change. Just click here. Every color here will be changed. The body text, if you want the body text is black now, you can change it to any color. The border, the link, you can also change it. Do you get it? You can also change it because right now it's green. Every highlight link on this page is green. So let me say I don't want it to be green. So I'll just come to the global color. The global style is here. So I can choose another style. I can choose blue, and I can choose any color. I can choose here. So everything changed. You can see. So this one has changed to blue. If I highlight now, it's blue. But before it was green, this one. So here you see. Now the link also you can change the background of the page. Let's say you want the entire background here to change, you want to give it a background color, so just come here and change the background color. Sorry, so just site background, so come here and you can change it. Sorry, yeah, you can change it. Let's say I want it this color, so you can see, but it doesn't look good, so I don't want that, so I'll just put it on white, right, so that it can look good. Do you get a point now? So that's that. So about the content background also, the content background are this background, these ones. So I can change the content background as well. I can change the content background as well. I can change the content background, and it's going to change the content background for me. Okay, see, but I don't want the content background to change though, so I'll just leave it. So as soon as you are done with that, what you need to do is to click on publish. Always click on publish, and that's how you change the color of your site and do other settings. I think this has been very helpful. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section or chat me up, then I'm going to explain better for you. So now in this class, now I've been able to show you how to install your WordPress site, how to set it up, how to set up a website, a complete website in few minutes, and how to configure the entire thing to make it yours, to personalize it. Do you get my points now? So that is that about that, right? Then another thing, okay, so I don't want to save that. So another thing is this footer. Yeah, I didn't talk about this footer. Let me go to my preview and just come down. This footer is right here. Two ways you can access your footer. If you go to abstract customizing, that is from your dashboard, you go to abstract, then you're going to come to this area, right? That's where you edit this portion of your site. Do you get it? This footer, I told you about this footer, right? So that's how you customize the footer part of your site. So here, I'm talking about here, right? You see this pencil that I told you about, so you can just easily click on it and edit. This one also, you can click on it and edit it. Do you get the point now? So when you click on that, it's going to take you to where to edit it, right? So you can see, so these are the widgets. This is the social media widgets. This is it. So if you just click on this one, right, so you can see got it. So you see this contact us right here, right? So the same thing, so you can see contact us, and here just click on it to put in your original email address and address there. Now the same thing with this widget. With this one controls the emails. So that's it about this. So if you have any question, you can send that to me or comment below, and I'm going to trash that out. Thank you very much for your time, and I think we've been able to cover a whole lot of stuff, right? We've talked about to set up your website professionally, how to configure it, how to customize it, and how to do your menu, create new pages, make your own page and likes, right? So in the next class, we're going to be building a complete website. We're going to have a case study and build the same, right? Then we're going to be installing our plugins for that, and also we're going to do Canva. Thank you very much, and do have a great day, and the regards to your family. Bye bye.